that thing.
No, I don't.
You made that mistake with me once, remember?
Yeah. Taylor, it's a water fountain.
Does that thing have sound recorder on it too?
Yes, it's recording the sound.
Uh-oh. That's nice. What? I don't know. It's gonna fall off.
You got my foot.
Ground eagle very, very hard. Okay, move it, Taylor. She's gonna kill me! Yes, I am! But you won't kill me before
You guys watch the camera.
What?
You almost got the camera.